sensors on my 2012 Chevy Malibu. I actually rotated the tires on this car. One day my low tire pressure monitor light came on for the left rear tire. So I took the left rear tire off and I was checking to try to find out why it was low, and it wasn't. So I couldn't find a nail, I couldn't find a rim leak. Turned out it was the right front. Now on the General Motors cars, the tire pressure monitor systems, it's a very rudimentary system, so it actually does not know when you rotate them. Fords do, Chryslers do, and a few others do. But General Motors, when you want to rotate your tires, you actually have to use this tire pressure monitor reset tool. This is a generic tool. You got it for 11 or 12 bucks on Amazon. So we're going to actually try it now, and I will show you the proper procedure for the 12 Chevy Malibu. So let's get started. Okay, now to put this vehicle in the relearn mode, we have to look at the owner's manual, and it says TPMS sensor matching process. So one, you got to set the parking brake. Okay, that's done. Next, turn the ignition to on, but don't start the vehicle. Press and hold the remote keyless entry, lock and unlock buttons for about 5 seconds, and then the horn will sound twice when it is ready. Let's try that. You're going to hold them at the same time. Okay, sounded twice. Now you have to go outside and put the tool against the wheel that we are going to relearn. And it does start with the left front. Okay, here is our tool. And it starts with the left front, and you know that because the left turn signal will illuminate itself. So you press the button and hold it against the sensor. When it honks, that means this one has been set. And we move along to the next one, which is the right front. As you can see, the right front is now illuminated. So let's do this one. Now we put it against the monitor. Hold the button down. Finally, the driver's rear. Okay, now once you hear the two honks, that means they have all been relearned and they should be in the correct positions. Another way you know it's done is the service tire light monitor goes out. So that's it, and that is how to reset the tire pressure monitor system on the 2012 Chevy Malibu. Other cars are going to be different, so check your owner's manual. You may or may not need the tool. The old way to do it is just let the air out of the tire for 30 seconds until it resets. But just a $10, $12 tool, whatever it was, is just a much easier way to go. And if you want to know the tool that I used, it's the VXDAS, whatever that is, the EL50448. This is the tool I used. Seems to work great, just takes a 9-volt battery. So this is the one that you want to get. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.